students. Students, in previous lecture we study about the input devices in lesson number 2. The lesson name is parts of computer. So first of all I have one question. Tell me what is mean by computer or what is a computer? So tell me the definition of a computer. So computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine which is made up of different parts. Which is made up of different parts like the keyboard, mouse, CPU box, monitor and printer. Okay? Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. You know that computer is also called the electronic machine which is made up of different parts. Like कोणकोणते पार्ट्स असतात कम्प्युटर मध्ये? So like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer and CPU. This is a definition of computer. Computer is an electronic machine which is made up of different parts like the keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor and printer. These are the parts of a computer. Okay? In previous lecture we study about the input devices. So tell me the names of input devices. So my dear students, I'll tell, listen carefully. The input devices are keyboard, mouse and CPU. Input devices are the keyboard, mouse and CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Okay? So today we will learn about the second point, output devices, and lesson number 2, parts of a computer. Okay? So the input devices, output devices, okay, these are the parts. But in output devices, which parts are important or which are the output devices? So output devices are monitor, second is a printer. So you know that how they look like the monitor. Okay, so this is a picture. This is a picture of monitor. This is like a TV screen. And printer, already you know that you see in our school, in offices, in hospitals, already in offices, hospitals, the printers are present. Okay? So let's start. First of all, I read the lesson. See in the book, the monitor and printer are used to get output, and so they are called the output devices. Means that how the monitor and printer are called the output devices? The monitor and printer are used to get output, and so they are called the output devices. They are used and they get the output, therefore they are called the आउटपुट डिव्हाइसेस. ते आपल्याला आउटपुट देण्याचं काम करतात म्हणून त्यांना आपण आउटपुट डिव्हाइस असं म्हणतो. The monitor displays the output produced by the CPU. means that first upon this output produced by the CPU. CPU means central processing unit and displays the monitor. जो CPU आहे तो आउटपुट तयार करतो आणि मॉनिटर ते डिस्प्ले करतो. If you want to can see, use a printer to print the output on paper. तुम्ही जर प्रिंटर वापरला असेल तर बघा त्या प्रिंटरवरती काय होतं तर आउटपुट जे मॉनिटर तयार करतो ते त्या पेपरवरती प्रिंट होतं आणि तो आपल्याला आउटपुट म्हणून परत मिळतो. दॅट्स वाय दिस पार्ट्स ऑर दिस monitor and printer are called the output devices. So first point is a monitor. So device that looks like a TV screen. The device that looks like TV screen. The device that looks like a TV screen are called the monitor. The device that looks like a TV screen is called the monitor. So like the TV, a monitor has a buttons to switch it on. तर ते जे मॉनिटर आहे त्याला चालू करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय असतं टीव्हीला बटन्स असतात तसे त्या मॉनिटरलाही असतात. नेक्स्ट स्विच ऑफ अँड बटन्स टू चेंज द ब्राईटनेस अँड कॉन्ट्रास्ट. त्याचा कॉन्ट्रास्ट त्याचा ब्राईटनेस त्याचा स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ करण्यासाठी त्याला बटन्स असतात. When you enter data into the computer, the monitor displays whatever you are typing currently. When you enter data into the computer, जेव्हा तुम्ही डाटा कम्प्युटरमध्ये एंटर करता, the monitor displays whenever you are typing currently. मग तुम्ही जसं जसं टाईप करत जाता तसं ते करंटली लगेच त्या मॉनिटरवरती आपल्याला दिसू लागतं. नेक्स्ट, this helps you check whether you have typed in the data correctly. If there are mistakes, you can correct them easily. मग तुम्ही जे टाईप करता ते करेक्टली टाईप केलं आहे का हे पाहण्यासाठी काय करावं लागतं तर त्या स्क्रीनवरती आपल्याला दिसतं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये कशासाठी होते तर आपण जे काही रॉंग लिहिलेलं आहे टाईप केलेलं आहे ते आपण करेक्ट करू शकतो. As you know, the CPU processes the input and gives the output, which is then displayed by the monitor. Then monitor is connected to the CPU box with the cable. With the help of cable, monitor is connected to the CPU box. CPU means central processing unit. So second point is a printer. The information or the output that is produced by the CPU is displayed on the monitor. The information of the output is produced by the CPU is displayed on the monitor. CPU न जी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन तयार केलेली आहे त्याचा आउटपुट आपल्याला मॉनिटरच्या स्क्रीनवरती दिसते. सो लुक ॲट दिस पिक्चर. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ प्रिंटर. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ प्रिंटर अँड दिस इज अ मॉनिटर. देन दिस आउटपुट कॅन बी प्रिंटेड ऑन अ पेपर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ प्रिंटर. आणि हे जे आउटपुट आहे ते प्रिंटरच्या मदतीने आपण काय करू शकतो पेपरवर प्रिंट करू शकतो. अ प्रिंटर कॅन प्रिंट वर्ड्स ॲज वेल ॲज पिक्चर. मग हे जो प्रिंटर आहे तो वर्ड्सही प्रिंट करू शकतो आणि पिक्चर्सही प्रिंट करू शकतो. द प्रिंटर इज कनेक्टेड टू द CPU बॉक्स विथ अ केबल. मीन्स दॅट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ केबल द प्रिंटर इज कनेक्टेड टू द CPU box. Understand the output devices, what is called the input devices and the parts of a computer. So my dear students, today's homework of subject computer, solve the exercise on page number 10 and page number 11. So my dear students, today's homework of subject computer, solve the question 1, question number 2 and question number 3 and send me with a WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.